My name is April Harmon. I'm in my second year. No, I'm not. I was born and raised in Paris, Texas, and I moved here from the Dallas area. It was something that I've always thought about doing because I really believe in advocating for people. But during the pandemic is when I really made that decision because there was so much going on, just legally speaking, at work and in society. And that just re-sparked that whole desire for me and gave me that motivation to go ahead and pursue law school. I chose University of Houston because I knew that I wanted to continue working full time, and the ranking and reputation of the school, and as well as the part time program, all drew me to the University of Houston, as well as the city of Houston itself, the diversity and opportunities that it offers here. So I just thought overall it's the best fit for me. Definitely feel like I made the right decision. The staff here have been really helpful in terms of just checking in with us and making sure, like, whenever there's been even things that I didn't know I needed help with, you'll get an email and say, hey, I think you should take this workshop or this class or whatever to help with this or that. And so I really appreciate that. And then also meeting so many great people. It's been really, really a really great experience. The most rewarding, I would say, the people that I've had the opportunity to meet judges and attorneys from different specialties, and just the people also that I go to class with that, from all over, different countries, different states, different cities. So it's just been a very well-rounded experience. And I think just the people that I've met, I think that's the best. What I like the most is that they really have a lot of resources for students to help you succeed. They have different workshops, they even have services to, like, in terms of helping you with your wardrobe. They have career advising. There's so many different services that they have available, and I think that's really helpful to a lot of students. If you want a place that you're going to meet a variety of people from different backgrounds, in a city where you have a variety of opportunities, this is a great place to come. I also would say, like, just you'll get through it, and just practice time management and work on your legal writing skills. Take advantage of all the opportunities that the school offers to help you with your legal writing, because that's an important skill set. It's been helpful to me in terms of client interviewing, counseling, building rapport with clients, as well as having some real world experience in dealing with issues that clients are experiencing, and then even applying cases in class that we're discussing in class. A lot of times I can draw from my professional experience to help with that. So it's really laid a good foundation to add the law to it, and that's how I see it, as like a building block to my legal career. I learned that, irregardless of a person's socioeconomic background, that people are people, and some have more resources than others. But at the end of the day, people want the same things. They want to make sure their kids are okay. They want to make sure, if they have property that needs to be divided, that it's fair and it's just. And at the people, if they experience crisis in the same way. You're sad, you're upset, you get angry. So I think that's been the biggest takeaway for me, and it's helped me because I was concerned that sometimes intimidated by clients that were like high net worth. And I thought, but at the end of the day, I built really good rapport with them just because of my experience working with so many different people in crisis just day in and day out as a social worker. So that's the biggest takeaway that I had, just, be confident in my skills and working with people, because ultimately that's what I'll be doing. For me, the biggest transition was realizing that law school is like having another job. And so having to approach it not so much like I'm going back to school, but like the intensity and the hours that you have to sacrifice to study in between class and do some networking, because that's important too, and treating that more like a job. I had to learn to do that, and that's been the biggest adjustment that I've had to make. So currently I am in the part-time program, and it fits in my lifestyle because I work full time. It allows me to be able to get my law degree while I'm working, because I'm working, and and I know, like, if you go full time, you can't work full time. So that wasn't an option for me. So and it's helped me to be able to, I've been able to adjust my work schedule around my school schedule, which is, really important. And so that allows me to be able to focus on school and studying, and then also being able to take advantage of some of the practical opportunities like the clinics and internships and things like that. So I've really had to, so being in a part-time program has really allowed me to balance, work and school, that I definitely would not have been able to do if I were in the full-time program.